Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang patuloy na pag-extend ng suporta kay General Wilkins Villanueva ng mga netizens. At the same time, galit ng taong bayan sa nagpakulong sa retiradong general, walang iba kundi itong si Congressman Paduano. Sa dami ng mga comments, messages, post na nababasa ko, para bang tinatadtad na sa galit ng taong bayan itong si Congressman Paduano. Itong pinaka-latest post ni General Orlando De Leon, mga PI. Basta, nagmura na siya. Hindi ko na tuloy. PI, dinobli niyang PI. Isinir niya ang post ni Yugi Filimon Ruiz. Sino si Mr. Yugi Filimon Ruiz? Dating Bureau of Customs Commissioner. Siya yung inappoint ni PBBM yung first year, unang taon nata. DOC hindi basta-basta ito. Si Mr. Yugi Filimon Ruiz, bago siya inappoint ni PBBM na Customs Commissioner, naging regional director din siya ng PIDEA. Kaya kilalang-kilala niya itong si General Wilkins Villanueva. So ito ang post ni ex-Customs Commissioner Yugi Filimon Ruiz. Sabi niya, I have the honor to serve our country with Director General Wilkins Villanueva as a drug buster. And I have personally witnessed how he sacrificed for our country. Ulitin ko Regional Director ng PIDEA, itong si Yugi Ruiz. And to put him in such humiliation just because a congressman who spends all his time in an air-conditioned office being served by paid office staff cannot accept the answers because it does not fit into his agenda is such a gut-wrenching experience. My question to you, dear honorable distinguished gentleman from Negros, is ano pa ito marespeto pa Bakit? Kasi dear honorable distinguished gentleman from Negros. Kung kay General De Leon ba, PI, doble PI. My question is, have you put your life on the line for our country? Lumaban din itong si Congressman Paduano. Kailan? Ang kalaban niya, gobyerno. Itong si Director General Wilkins Villanueva, ang kalaban niya, mga masasamang tao sa ating susyudad. Pinagtanggol niya ang ating mamamayang Pilipino. Paduano, nilabanan niyang gobyerno. So, wala. Have you placed your life and limb in front of blazing red-hot bullets aimed at you just so that you can accomplish your mandate of eradicating criminals from our society? We place our lives and took criminal lives for our country. Director General Wilkins Villanueva deserves better than to be cited in contempt just because his answers do not fit the game plan. I am writing this post to express my frustration and regret. So much regret. Yugi Filimon Ruiz, former PIDEA Director, a parent and father. Ordinary guy. Hindi niya inilagay yung pagiging customs commissioner niya. The fact na pinili siya ng PBBM admin na maging BOC commissioner speaks something well of him. Kaya hindi ordinary guy itong Mr. Yogi Ruiz. So, salamat Mr. Yogi Ruiz sa inyong payag ng suporta kay General Wilkins Villanueva. Yung post ni General Bato de la Rosa, sabi niya, General Wilkins has an unblemished record in law enforcement. Nabasa kong mga comments kasi na-assign as Regional Director PIDEA Region 10 si General Wilkins. Maganda ang performance niya as Regional Director sa Region 10. Then lalo na nung naging PIDEA Regional Director General siya ng PIDEA. So, sino pa? May nabasa pa akong tungkol kay kuwan pa rin ito tungkol kay General post ni General De Leon. May nag-text sa kanya na isang PME graduate, 2-star general ng 2-star general ng PNP. Hinanap ko. Tungkol ito sa ginawa ni Congressman Paduano rin pagpa-cite in contempt kay General Villanueva. Post niya kahapon lang. This is a message to me by a retired police major general. I have his permission to post this but requested me to keep his identity under the alias. Ang alias niya is the best chief the PNP never had. So, ito ang text ng Police Major General kay General De Leon. Good morning, sir. A polygraph so-called lie detector test is inadmissible in evidence in court. The PNP and NBI crime labs have this as a forensic tool for investigation but not prepared as evidence for the prosecution. But Quadcom, without the benefit of a polygraph exam, can detect who is lying and cite resource persons in contempt. This is a special skill of the RPA ABB Rebel Commander. Ito na si Congressman Paduano. RPA is Revolutionaryong Proletariat. Basta ABB, Alex Bongkayo Brigade. I guess he should be hired as expert forensic scientist of the PNP and NBI. Mayroon ng trabaho si Congressman Paduano pag mag-graduate siya sa Kongreso. Pwede siya na maging forensic expert or scientist, either NBI or PNP, dahil magaling siya. Questioning lang, nadidetect niya yung nagsisinungaling o hindi. Ang galing. So, ang mga comments, magbasa tayo mga comments. Marcelo Emilio Lucas III. And generals, retired or not, with eyes wide open, just letting this kind of man humiliates them, stand and deliver. Glenn Agapia Tabamo, gifted child ba ang tawag dyan o special child? Iba yung special child. Tess Tiberio, shame on you, Paduano. Pepe Gaslang Pukulan, the so-called Paduayes machine. So, ulitin ko, ang daming mga comments na bumabatikos kay Congressman Paduano. Tad na siya sa galit ng mga galit ng mga netizens, habang si General Wilkins Villanueva naman is nakakatabang puso yung mga papuri tungkol sa kanya. So again, salamat kay ex-Customs Commissioner and PDEA Director Yugi Filimon Ruiz.